Hello YouTube viewers and Facebook friends. This is March 10th, Friday night, and I came to see some friends down here. They were at the bowling alley. I'm almost downtown Williston, North Dakota, and we're having a blizzard. It is a blizzard here, folks. Oh yeah, look at this wind. Supposed to get 55-mile-an-hour winds, 6 to 12 inches of snow by tomorrow. Look at it fall. Yep, it's 24 degrees out, but the wind chill probably is more like low teens. So that's how much snow is here. That's how much snow is here. Yep. So, look at all the ice my vehicle has. Oh yeah, I left the vehicle running for my little wiener dog to keep warm. All right. Have a good night, everyone. Stay warm out there.